How to add your own location on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Instagram. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select the photo you want to post and tap on next at the top right corner. Again tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now on this page, tap on add location. Now search for your location. First of all, scroll down your notification panel and turn on location services. Now go back, tap on add location again. Now select the location. Now select the location nearest to the place. Now tap on share and click on share post. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.